Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
Morning viewers, welcome back to the channel. Big day today. We're off to Portugal in about 3 hours, so we're just going to pack. So I'll take you through and you can see exactly what we're taking and how much to get in the bags. And it's got a little bum bag there ready to go. And there we have it. So two panniers bags I should say, ready to be loaded, or ready to be filled. And you can see a variety of those little bags that I showed you in a previous video. Some are marked up, chino, shorts and buff. This one, socks and gloves. These are all mine to go into that. Anne's putting that in the top box, so that's about 10 kilos, and then all her stuff on that. Tools are also going in that one, and the little side one that you can attach to it is full of wet weather gear, but prediction is about 37 degrees C, so it might not need that. We've got that bag which is going on the back of mine, which is an overnight bag for the ferry, and on here we've got the computer, a little bit of foodie stuff, and a makeup bag. So yeah, so the next thing we've got to do is get all that in those panniers and in that box, and then load it onto the bike, which yeah, shouldn't take too long, and then we're away. So the next time you'll see us, we'll be on the road. Speak to you soon. Well, here we are. We're now en route to the ferry at Portsmouth. Journey time's going to be about 2.5 hours, and we are fully loaded, and I'm feeling it on the bike. It's a bit light at the front, but there you go, not surprising. We're travelling down the A127 towards the M25, and then we'll come off at junction 10 onto the A3, and I think it's the A31, to Pompey. Weather's looking okay. I think it's going to get a little bit cloudy en route to the coast, but apart from that, I haven't checked the weather for the bay. So yeah, boring journey down there, so I won't be recording that, so I'll speak to you again when we get to the ferry. Okay, so you can see in the distance we're heading towards Queen Elizabeth II Bridge. Traffic is a little bit heavy, but it is a Friday, so it's not surprising. And the wind has picked up a little bit. You might be able to hear that on the microphone, but yeah, the sun's still shining. So this is the technical, well, it is the first and the last bridge into London before you reach the sea, the open sea, which is that way, and London is that way. We're crossing the Thames well, in fact, there's over on the right hand side there is actually a dock which is used by passenger cargo and normal cargo, and Tilbury is to the left of us. So quite an industrial area, part of Essex and Kent, Essex being this side of the river and Kent being that side of the river. The Thames is a natural divide. Yeah, for those people that are watching outside the UK, Thames is spelled T-H-A-M-E-S, but it's actually pronounced Thames, as in T-E-M-S. I always love coming over this bridge, so it's quite spectacular. And I'm sure most of the people that go over it don't appreciate it. They just want to get from A to B. But when you're on a bike, a little bit's like an open top, isn't it? So you can have a look up. Just stopped after, what did we do? About 70 odd miles, wasn't it? About 70 miles. Stopped in Easing services on the A3. There you go. That's proof. Yeah, about an hour and 50. Running well. Very good. Bike's running well. We're good to go. So we'll have a quick cup of coffee and then we're back on the road. Heading towards Portsmouth. 40 miles to go. I'm just going to go straight back. Even if there was a reversing gear for a motorcycle, I still wouldn't trust myself going backwards on a bike. You're actually better off just going downhill. Okay. We're just coming into Portsmouth now. Still a lovely day, a little bit hazy now, not too bad. Roughly heading towards cruise and across channel ferries. I'd say it's about 230 yards, so yeah, I think there's a Brittany ferry over there. Could be the one we're on. It's certainly the other side of the Royal Naval Dockyard, and it's not far from the old Whale Island, which and just caught the lights there. They were very quick, weren't they? Yeah, I'll wait for you on the other side. Okay. Just going under the E. There you go. Oh, at Whale Island, there you go. I once did once played there as a military musician, Whale Island. And I played for the King when he was Prince Charles. So we're here at the ferry. I think Anne's behind me. I haven't lost her. Could be worse. Could be breaking down. Whenever you drive shaft down. Oh yeah. There's yeah, it's also broken down there as well. So we're on board, yay! And it's nice and dry.
Stomp your feet, jump up and down, clap your hands and turn around. Bend your knees, touch your toes. Now with your left hand, reach out and grab your nose. Say yeah, do a high five with your friend. Up high, down low, too slow, let's go. Stomp your feet, jump up and down, your hands and turn around. Reach your arms all the way to the sky, out to the sides like a bird about to fly. Say yeah, do a high five with your friend. Up high, down low, too slow, let's go. Stomp your feet, jump up and down, clap your hands and turn around. Step to the left, step to the right, hug somebody and hold them tight.
Okay, sorted. It's all right. No, just that had a bit of a malfunction because the for some reason that didn't come on, but it's on now. Yeah, so we're here. Excellent. I don't know how whether they do it or we do it or we can do it ourselves. Okay. No, but it's secure, it ain't going nowhere. Well, here we are. On the 7th floor from the lower deck, so 7 flights of stairs, but we managed to get here. What we 7110? Yeah. So this is a little tour of the room then.
As we've exploded in it.
We've got a really nice sea view. You can see that. That's lovely. And 4 bunks. We're just going to use the bottom 2, and then the top 2 can be used for stacking all your kit, which we're doing there. Organising that. There is a little bathroom, which is quite nice. So we're all good there. And then, if you can see it in the light, don't know where the lights are. There you go. Oh, so a tiny little wardrobe. So there you go. It's even got a TV. So we're going to get changed, and then go and have a wander, have a look, see what's on the ship, and then a bite to eat.
I might have to take your seatbelt off.
Yeah, and then what else?
Have a beer.
That's it. Have a beer.
Rum diddly dum.
Yeah, rum diddly dum.
And then we've got to make sure we see the spinnaker.
Ah, right, yes. Anne wants to see the Portsmouth spinnaker, so we're going to go out on deck at some point. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. So we'll get on with that. Speak to you soon. Okay, so just popped out, have a look around the ship, and ferry ship. It's a boat that sails on the sea, and if you look behind me, you've got the Royal Naval Dockyard at Portsmouth, so I'll just scan around, you can have a look at it. And straight ahead is the Royal Fleet Auxiliary ship Wave Knight, which I think is being sold off to another country. So the Royal Fleet Auxiliary are the merchant service of the Royal Navy. His Majesty's Naval Base Portsmouth in the distance on the other side, and the I suppose dock on that side, on the other side of this pontoon, was originally, I think I was told, dug out by French prisoners of war from the Napoleonic period. So he put them to work and they dug it out and then made a sort of massive dock there. Right in the distance as well, huge, so you can just see the top of the Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier, which is being refitted. It looks like an old naval ship there, probably due for refit or going off to the knacker's yard, and looks like a new frigate having some work done as well, so quite busy. In the distance, I don't know if you can see it, but just about there are 3 masts from HMS Warrior, and that's in the historic dockyard at Portsmouth. Yeah, so we're not sailing until about 9:30, so they say. I'm going to find my darling wife. I'm going to go and have something to eat. Begins.
Ooh, yeah. Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song. It's